Every one of us needs to show how much we care for each other and, in the process, care for ourselves. I don't want expensive gifts. I don't want to be bought. I have everything I want. I just want someone to be there for me, to make me feel safe and secure. The kindness and affection from the public have carried me through some of the most difficult periods, and always your love and affection have eased the journey. Family is the most important thing in the world. Hugs can do great amounts of good, especially for children. I will fight for my children on any level in order for them to be happy and have peace of mind and carry out their duties. I live for my sons. I would be lost without them. Don't call me an icon. I'm just a mother trying to help. A mother's arms are more comforting than anyone else's. I want them to have an understanding of people's emotions, people's insecurities, people's distress, and people's hopes and dreams. I am not a political figure. I am a humanitarian figure. Always was, always will be. Everyone needs to be valued. Everyone has the potential to give something back. The greatest problem in the world today is intolerance. Everyone is so intolerant of each other. Helping people in need is a good and essential part of my life, a kind of destiny. I like to be a free spirit. Some don't like that, but that's the way I am. I don't go by the rule book. I lead from the heart, not the head. I'd like to be a queen in people's hearts. It's vital the monarchy keeps in touch with the people. It's what I try to do. It took a long time to understand why people were so interested in me.